Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss one question of labor cost variance asked in university exam. Let us understand how questions are asked, how to read them and present your answer most appropriate way. Let us read the question. From the following, calculate labor variances. Standard hour per unit 12 hours. Standard rate rupees 5 per hour. Actual production 2000 units. Actual hours 23,000 hours. Actual rate 4 rupees 95 paise per hour. Standard quantity for actual output. Standard hours per unit 12 hours. Actual production 2000 units. For 1 unit of output, standard hours 12 hours. Actual output 2000 units. Standard hours for actual output 2000 units multiplied by 12. 24,000 hours. Labor cost variance is equal to standard hours multiplied by standard rate minus actual hours multiplied by actual rate. Standard hours we have calculated 24,000 hours. Actual hours 23,000 hours. Standard rate rupees 5 per hour. Actual rate rupees 4 and 95 paise. $6,150 favorable. Labor efficiency variance is equal to standard rate multiplied by standard hours minus actual hours. Standard hours 24,000, actual hours 23,000. Standard rate 5 rupees per labor hour. It is 5,000 favorable. Labor rate variance actual hours multiplied by standard rate minus actual rate. Actual hours 23,000 hours. Standard rate 5 per labor hour. Actual rate 4 rupees 95 paise. 1,150 favorable. Labor cost variance is equal to labor efficiency variance plus labor rate variance. It is 5,000 favorable plus 1,150 favorable. 6,150 favorable. We have already calculated labor cost variance 6,150 favorable. In this question, we have learned how to answer labor cost variances and sub variances related university paper pattern question. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.